Hello YouTube, welcome back to Carry Coffee Combatives. Got a quick unboxing today of an item, a holster from QVO Tactical. QVO Tactical, that is Quick Violent Over Tactical. Based out of, oh my goodness, I believe Texas, maybe California, I believe Texas. This is one of my first orders from them. I am truthfully normally a G-code guy. G-code holsters, I think they make some of the best holsters. A lot of their products. However, I wanted to reach out and try QVO's holsters. Seem to have some adaptability on the Olights. These weapons are clear. Have a lot of Olights, and G-code is currently G-code. QVO is making compatible holsters with Olight tactical lights. Hence, I am giving them a go. A lot of good things about them. Referenced a lot to their product. Oh yeah. Packaging is kind of standard. Okay, so see one slight problem, but I thought I was getting the RTI compatible outside the waistband holster. QVO they call this fabric a fabric overlay. So this is black Kydex with a fabric overlay. This is Desert Night camo, and it is supposed to be for a Glock 17 with a Olight PL2. That is a Valkyrie PL2, this particular model. Okay, it fits. So pretty good fit and finish. Gonna have to loosen that up a bit. Kydex is pretty thin. Again, this is my first QVO holster. I thought I was going to get the RTI wheel on here. This is a paddle style, which goes inside your belt right here. It kind of locks into your belt and outside the waistband paddle. So I'm going to probably have to pay extra and get that RTI wheel. I use this this holster I want to use on pretty much a duty belt, so to speak. So train with your inside the waistband and concealed carry that you do. However, strongly recommend, so especially for you first-time buyers, to get like a duty belt and outside the waistband, and put something like this on your duty belt. Okay, and train with that also. All right, these sights are high. These are the optic ready, call them optic ready. They're also called suppressor height sights. And I ordered this and did ask them late. On the order, all I said was, hey, it's optics ready. Okay, on the when selecting the holster. So they automatically put this on this higher sight channel, so to speak, right here. All right, because what people do is they put the higher sights on so that you could local witness straight through your optical if you put it on there, which is a good thing. Very good thing. Very tight fit. I'll probably loosen this up a little bit. Very snug fit. I got another holster from them coming out. The edges are a little sharp. They're a little sharper than I would like for a high quality holster, as opposed to say the G code. G code, these are, I mean, they're just horned. They're very smooth. Very smooth holsters. Okay. Thicker. The Kydex is thicker, stronger. Just a wee bit stronger. I'm not liking the desert camo that much, but you know, I'll work with it. Maybe I'll be able to get another overlay. The big thing is I want the RTI wheel to be interoperability with other products. I'll have to show you that in another video. You pretty much just it's a round wheel that you just clip on to other G code, what they call RTI accessories. Okay, well, I'll try to test this out a little more and probably give you a more in-depth review of it, but that's the unboxing, unveiling of the QVO Tactical outside the waistband secondary Glock secondary outside the waistband holster. Nice holster, nice holster. Yeah, Kydex is a little skimpy. Gonna have to play with it a lot more. Okay, thank you. Coffee, Carry Coffee Combatives.